Hello, little humans. We are going to be working on our Wednesday slides for dividing whole numbers. We today are going to match the number sentence and word problem together. So yesterday we focused mostly on actually dividing the numbers. Today I want you to focus on looking at a word problem and making or matching the number sentence that goes with it. Okay, and putting the numbers in the right order. So we have one computation practice for us here again. We have our models and review anchor chart to remind us what division is. If you would like to look back at the notes from yesterday, you can click on this link and it takes us to our notes part of the slides from yesterday. So we have our Quizlet here, we have again our anchor chart, and there's video attached to that. We have, if you don't know how to use Quizlet, this video helps you navigate Quizlet so you can learn the vocabulary and see the different things that you can do with it. We have our anchor chart and our song that goes with it, standard algorithm, box method, and here we have our multiplication chart again, and an overview anchor chart of all of our operation models. Super important for the coming days. So that is found all right here on slide 4 of our work for today, along with another anchor chart, just to remind us the order and some important vocabulary, where the divisor, dividend, and what the quotient is. We move on. Here is our guided practice for today. We have 2 problems that I worked out and I put the information right here. So this is me actually solving both of these computation problems. And just like you should do, I wrote my answer and I uploaded a clear picture of my work. Okay? And so your job on this slide is to solve 863 divided by 8. And then you're going to upload a picture of your work. And if you're like, oh, I don't remember how to do that, we're going to click there. And here again is the video for you to use as you need to remind you how to go to camera, upload, and take a clear picture. And I even put in there how we should crop our picture to make sure we can only see the important stuff in it. So you didn't need to see Miss Arnold's face that time, so I cropped the picture and I made it bigger, that way the teacher could see it. Okay, so whenever we finish this with our computation, we have some drag and drop slides. I made another video for you to watch if you need to, but all we're doing here is reading the problem and dragging the number sentence that matches to the box that it says. Then we're going to do that same process. We're going to match the word problem to the number sentence. And that's all this is. So we join our quizzes. We use our name. Please don't use a nickname because then it's hard for your teacher to give you credit for what you did. And if you'd like, we can add a little bit of music in the background. I wouldn't suggest that because it can get a little distracting. I would suggest putting the read aloud option if that helps you. Okay, so you're going to start and answer the 10 questions that are there. And then our last thing that we have here is our close. So you are going to read this number sentence. It says Jimmy Neutron invents 150 new toys. He wants to give them to his 5 friends. How many will each friend get? Here is the number sentence he wrote. So Jimmy Neutron says that we should have 5 divided by 150. You tell me right here, do you think that Jimmy Neutron is correct? Did he write his number sentence correctly? And if he didn't, tell me what's wrong with it. What should it look like? And then why is it important for us to write the number sentence so that it matches our word problem? Why are we asking you to figure that out. So I want you to give me your reason. Why do you think teachers want you to know how to match the number sentence to the word problem? And that's all you have to do today for math. Y'all have a good day. Calculator.